Szechuan Silken Mapo Eggplant, KZI. A delicious Chinese main course recipe. This recipe serves 3 to 4 servings. Preparation takes about 20 minutes. And cooking takes around 15 minutes. Here is what you'll need. 2 large Chinese eggplant, 2 tablespoons cornstarch, a quarter cup vegetable oil, 4 cloves garlic, 1 inch fresh ginger, 3 pieces scallions, 2 tablespoons doubanjiang, 1 tablespoon dachi, 1 teaspoon Sichuan peppercorns, 3/4 cup vegetable broth. Step 1. Cut the eggplant into uniform batons, about 3 inches long and 3/4 inch thick. Place them in a large bowl and toss with a pinch of salt. Let sit for 10 minutes to draw out excess moisture. Step 2. Pat the eggplant pieces completely dry with paper towels. Lightly dust them with 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, shaking off any excess. This creates a barrier so they don't absorb too much oil. Step 3. Heat the vegetable oil in a wok or large non-stick skillet over medium-high heat until shimmering. Step 4. Add the eggplant in a single layer, work in batches if necessary. Fry for 4 to 5 minutes, turning occasionally, until the edges are golden brown and the flesh is tender. Remove and drain on paper towels. Step 5. Wipe out the wok, leaving about 1 tablespoon of oil. Lower the heat to medium. Step 6. Add the minced garlic, ginger, and the white parts of the scallions. Stir fry for 30 seconds until fragrant but not browned. Step 7. Add the doubanjiang, chili bean paste, and mashed dachi, black beans. Stir fry for 1 minute until the oil turns a bright, vibrant red and the aroma is pungent. Step 8. Pour in the vegetable broth, light soy sauce, and sugar. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer. Step 9. Carefully slide the fried eggplant back into the wok. Toss gently to coat each piece in the simmering sauce, being careful not to break the delicate eggplant. Step 10. Slowly pour in the cornstarch slurry while stirring gently. Let the sauce bubble and thicken for about 30 to 60 seconds until it glossily clings to the eggplant. Step 11. Drizzle with chili oil and toasted sesame oil. Give it one final, very gentle fold. Step 12. Transfer to a shallow serving bowl. Sprinkle generously with the ground Sichuan peppercorns and the reserved green scallion tops for a fresh pop of color and numbing heat. And that's it. For the full recipe with exact measurements, visit dishwiz.info.